Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to play a different system sound and beep sound with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So I have this sample project created and I have six different buttons in here. So these button click events are empty, so I'm going to write some code here. So just drag and drop 6 button into your form and change its text. Now double click this first button and here I will write the code for the first sound. So I will write my dot computer dot audio dot play sound, and in here I'm going to add this first system sound, which is media dot system sounds dot asterisk. Okay, and I will close this, and in the same way I'm going to add 5 more system sounds. So this is the second sound, but this one is going to be beep, third sound, and this one is going to be exclamation sound, and the fourth button, and this one is going to be hand sound, and the fifth button, and this one is going to be a question sound. Okay, and the sixth button I will show you differently, because the code for the sixth sound is different, a little different. So let's play the code or and see what sound they can make. Okay, so I will just play my program or run my program, and it runs the program, and let's hear for the sound what sound they make. So here for the first sound I will increase the sound so that you can hear. This is the first sound. So this is the first sound, if you can hear, and this is second sound, and the third sound, and the fourth sound, and the fifth sound. Fifth sound, I don't know why, but my computer doesn't create this sound, but it should work in other computers. And let's make the code for the sixth sound now. So I will double click my sixth button, and in here I will write console dot beep. So it creates a beep sound. So now when I run the program, and I will click the sixth button, and it creates a beep sound. You can also give the frequency and the interval to this beep sound like this. So you just need to pass the parameter. First parameter this beep function takes is the frequency. So for example, I want the frequency to be 1000, and the second parameter it takes is the interval in milliseconds. So for example, I want to give 2-second interval, so I will give 2000 here. And now when I run the program, it will give me 100 hertz, 1000 hertz frequency. This is the frequency in hertz, and this is the time in milliseconds. Okay, so now when I click this sound 6 button here for it, so the sound played for 2 second with the frequency of 1000 second. You can change this frequency and time, and you can have your own sound. So in this way you can play different sound with the help of your Visual Basic Windows Form application. Please keep watching this video, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.